Our group of three, alongside OKHealth, sought to tackle a big issue that is present today. Imagine a world where there are no shortages of BiPAP ventilation devices, which are the key devices that help fight lower respiratory diseases. Bi-level positive airway pressure, or BiPAP ventilation devices, provide positive pressure during inhalation and exhalation to keep a user breathing while trying to overcome the diseases. The issue is that the air compressor inside of the devices are very expensive, costing up to a price of $800. Due to this, developing nations like Ghana have experienced shortages of these devices. These shortages can now be tackled using the prototype that our team has designed. The prototype can be manufactured at a low cost of only $45. The uniqueness of this design is that the geometry is similar to of a jet engine and consists of two impellers, one stationary and one rotary, that helps achieve the pressure levels desired. To use this compressor, you must first connect the battery. Once the battery is connected, a beep will sound. If there is one beep, that means the compressor is connected correctly. Before the compressor is turned on, you must make sure that the inlet is not obstructed or blocked, as it can cause serious damage to the user. Next, you can attach the medical tubing to the outlet of the compressor so that it is connected to the BiPAP ventilation device. Make sure that the tubing is fastened on there tightly so that there are no air losses. Once the tubing is fastened, the compressor can be turned on. The device can be turned on using the potentiometer, which initiates the motor to spin the impellers. The pressure can be adjusted by turning the potentiometer clockwise, which increases the RPM of the motor. This will allow the compressor to produce the correct pressure value during the user's breathing cycle. We hope that this prototype will allow for our sponsors to advance the development of their low-cost BiPAP ventilation device.